What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a battery change on a Ford Smart Key. So this Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR2025, and you're actually going to need two of them. So we have our two CR2025 batteries. And then we'll also need a flathead screwdriver. It doesn't need to be quite this big, but it's all right if it is. The first thing we want to do is remove the back cover from our Smart Key. That's done by pressing this button here. Press that down, and that'll allow the back to come off like that. You can set that to the side. Now this whole piece right here, this plastic piece that has the writing on it, that whole piece is going to come out. If you take your screwdriver and you get in the end here, you can kind of pry up, work your way around a little bit to get it to pop up. And that'll come out like that. And now we can see our batteries here. Okay. So what we want to do is take our first one and we're going to put it with the plus side up. Put it in there like that, and then we'll kind of put this little plastic piece on like that, and then this one we're going to install with the plus side down like that. Now we're ready to put it back together. So if you look, there's kind of two loops on the bottom of this, and those will line up with these two notches right here. So line those up, and then you'll just snap it in. Snap it, make sure it's all the way in, all the way around. And then we'll put our back cover on. This, you want to put the bottom on first, like that, and it'll just clip on. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.